so nice to meet you all. It's funny because I think I came to the first dinner in Stevenage. So I saw there everyone was getting to know each other. And then I saw you guys, and it always happens on every cohort. It's just like, we do a lot of courses at Austin. Like, I'm sure you'll see, because the reps will be forward and you're sinus course, bone manipulation. So you'll be like, how many courses do Austin do? But I think I told everyone when they said, oh, how is this course at the start? Everyone was asking me. And I said, this is a course, and I hope you guys can see it. I wasn't just lying just because we sponsor the course. It is the best course that we do. Because the whole transition from the first time to meeting you all and seeing you all now, everyone's speaking, it's just like a family. And you can see it from all the other cohorts as well. Everyone still speaks to each other, everyone's still interactive. And I mean, the support that you're going to get from Mukesh, Sam, and Azhar is, there's no mentors that will be as active as these guys. You post anything and they will get back to you they're better than us. I always say to these guys, like, come and work for Austin. They'll sell more than us. They're always, they never feel like you're alone. We hear so many stories from, because we're at surgeries every day. We meet different clients every day, and they always say, like, oh, I went on this course, and now these guys want us to refer to him, this and that. But these guys, they give you the help. If you need the mentorship, they'll give you the mentorship. But it's not like let me just come down, or a referral course. Yeah. And the amount of inquiries we get saying, oh, can I do Mukesh's course, Azhar's course, Sam's course? And they'll say no, because what they want to do, they just want to come to the hands-on in Cairo, because they didn't get that. And they said no. I think I asked you one time, and you said no, and then I know the answer. But yes, you guys have definitely chosen the right course. I really feel like, I hope you guys don't think I was lying now when I was saying it first. And I hope you guys got what you were looking for.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.
Come on! One more.